Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're taking a look at SmallRig's RF-10C RGB LED photography flashlight. It's a pocket-sized creative tool for photographers, videographers, and content creators. With a 7500 milliamp battery, alloy body build, and 20 pattern filters for you to use on the front of this light, is this the perfect fill light for your kit? Let's find out. Now, before we get started, I do want to let you know that SmallRig has no idea of me making this video. I purchased this light myself on Amazon. I was really impressed with what I was able to get out of it, and I thought that sharing my experience of this light could be useful for you out there. So this is not sponsored by any means. Let's get into the video. Inside the box, we get the flashlight itself, a USB-C charging cable, and 20 pattern light filters that allow for some interesting creative effects. Right off the bat, I love the sturdy aluminum alloy body. It feels premium and durable, definitely not a cheap piece of plastic. What also adds to its adaptability is that it has 3/4 inch screws throughout the body itself. This 7500 watt milliamp battery can last up to 3 hours at continuous full power. Now, I haven't done 3 hours of continuous power, but so far I've been using it throughout this video. As you can see the pattern back here, and it is going strong no matter how many takes I've been trying to make this video. With the simple press of the main button, you can change between 4 different light presets for quick mood changes. You have orange, you have blue, you have warm white, and you have red. This is where things can get really interesting. With the 20 different pattern filters, you can create so many different lighting effects and modifying and shaping the way you want this light to be used, either on a background like I'm doing right here, maybe for edge lighting, hair lighting, etc. So that was honestly one of the main reasons why I picked up this light myself. Now, the 20 pattern light filters add so much versatility. You can create really dramatic video shots, even for photo shots for product photography perhaps, and definitely helps to add a little bit more dimension. As you can see, the way I'm using the filter back here really adds a little bit more to the depth of my video right now, and also a little bit of color, and creates a little bit more separation than just having a blown out background, which it was prior to. Now here's just a quick real world test of how I was able to elevate the quality of my video by using the RF-10C little flashlight here, okay? So as you can tell right now, I have a nicely compressed background, a lot of stuff going on back here. Overall, this is not a bad setup. It looks just fine. I can record a video, I've done it before, and I can post this video. But look how much more of a dynamic or dramatic video I can create by just turning on this light. Let's go ahead. So as you can see with this lighting pattern that you saw throughout the video, nothing else has changed except that I added a color and I'm using one of the filters on the front of this light. And I have it right now to my camera left, and it's just being used on a articulating arm right here attached to my shelf, and it's just pointed right behind me. Okay, so it hits everything back there. What I wanted to do was create kind of more of a window coming through, sunlight coming through a window. Okay, kind of effect. And since I'm using more of a cooler light tone or daylight here for my key light, I thought adding more warmer or using the orange technically color back here would add a little bit more depth to it, as well as having a compressed background. So that's one creative way. There are other ways. I'm going to do another video to show you some creative ways to use this light, because I think this light for the price is an incredible buy. And I think it could also help you all out there to add that much more flair to your video. As you know, no product is perfect. So let's talk about the pros and cons of the SmallRig RF-10C flashlight. Okay, so the pros are pretty obvious. I kind of mentioned it earlier in this video. One is that it's compact and portable. I really am impressed with how much this can do in such a small package. I could put this in my camera bag. Heck, it actually will fit in my pocket. It could definitely fit in my video lighting bag, etc. So just to have a nice compact and durable light for fill or for just something for the background is really impressive. Okay, so that's the first thing. And the body build, it's really constructed really well. It's nothing cheap about this. I think the only thing plastic on it is the actual knob to change the intensity of the light as well as change the color of the light. So that's off top. Next thing is the battery life. The 7500 milliamp battery, you know, as SmallRig says, can last up to 3 hours at continuous power, full continuous power. That's pretty cool. That's really impressive. And most importantly, that I can recharge these using a USB-C cable. Now, it comes with one, but most of our devices have one. I have 1 million of those cables. So that means I can charge this while on the go, in a cigarette lighter of my car, maybe in an airport, somewhere where I'm just kind of waiting for my flight. Anywhere I can plug, I can recharge this light. So that's pretty cool. And the last but not least of the pros is the 20 pattern filters that you can use on the light. So that really adds to you being able to be very creative and create cool effects when using this light. So that's pretty clutch. Now let's talk about the downsides of this light. First off, it's only 10 watts, okay, of full power. So you're not going to be able to use this as a key light. That's not the purpose of this. It never was, okay? So if that's going to be a complaint, well, feel free. You can post it down below, but it's basically useless because that's not what the intention of this light is for. It's for adding that much more flair, a little bit more drama to your video and your photography. Like I said before, maybe for hair light, for video photography, or product photography for sure, food photography, etc. This is a great fill light or something like an accent light for your project, okay? And the other downside is that not all of the light patterns might fit your creative project, okay? That should go without saying, but having 20 of them, something's gonna work for you, okay? I saw a few that rang a bell from, that I saw a couple immediately that I knew would be creative. I saw a couple patterns that immediately that I knew I could use that would really add that much more drama to my video. But then I saw some other patterns where I honestly thought I would never use this, and I'm not sure why it's included. With all that said, there's something for everyone in this 20 filter pattern set for you, okay? But it's not for everybody. Well, let's get down to the real question. Is the SmallRig RF-10C portable photography flashlight for you? Is it worth it? Well, honestly, for its portability, it's aluminum alloy construction body build. It has 3 1/4-inch screws around it. Good battery life. Honestly, for me, I was really happy. As soon as I started to use it, I threw away the box. I'm not going to return this thing. And it was only $52 on Amazon. Of course, I'm going to leave the link in the description section for you to check out this light for yourself. But honestly, if you're looking for a great accent light or a fill light, especially if you do video production or some sort of photography on the go a lot and you need a nice portable and lighting kit, this would be a great addition to that. I'm adding this to my lighting kit, which I just finished putting together this week. I'll share a video about my video production lighting kit very soon. But this light is great. I love that I can change the colors. That's really cool depending on the scenario that I want. I like the lighting patterns like I'm using right now throughout this video. And I also like that the adaptability, because of the 1/4-inch screws, I could just use a articulating arm and stick it anywhere I need to go, and thus it making it that much more creative. Again, it's not for a key light. It never was, and I never intended on using it as such, but as an accent light or a fill light, it's great. Okay, let me hear your comments down below what you think about the SmallRig RF-10C photography flashlight. Is this something that you think would fit great in your lighting kit? Do you think that this is an absolute waste of money for only $52? Well, let me know down below. If you have any questions about it, of course, let me hear them. I'll be glad to answer them. Don't worry, I actually do answer the comments that are made on my videos. Of course, I'm going to be doing in a future video, I'm going to be sharing with you a couple ways for you to use this light specifically for your next video shoot. And if you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more, don't forget to press that like, that share, that subscribe, and yes, hit that bell icon to get notifications for my upcoming content. I'm Robert Silver, and until next time, keep shooting and stay creative.